Are you wanting to get started in real estate investing, but just have no idea where to get started? Private money lending. Have you ever heard the term other people's money or OPM? Well, that's exactly what private money is. It's using other people's money or private money to fund your investments. I'm Amy Rendy. I'm a real estate investor, a wife, a mom to twin daughters, and I love to help people get started in real estate. It's a great option for people that don't have the time to be handling a fix and flip or out there searching for deals, but really want to see what's going on and how to get involved with real estate investing and really learn from the sidelines, hopefully partnering with the investor to do that. I personally have been a private money lender for other investors when I have a little bit of extra cash or want to, sit on the sidelines for a while I'm finishing up a project. You can lend anything from $500 for an earnest money deposit or EMD that might be for 2 weeks on up to $50,000 for finishing out a renovation that could take a full year. So it really just depends. And that's the beauty of it. You both can come to terms on what works for both of you and figure out a solution. My suggestion would be to find an investor or group of investors that you know and trust that will bring you into the entire process, help show you how to find a deal, analyze that deal to make sure it's profitable. We call that underwriting, understanding the rehab all the way through the close of the deal. It's a really amazing way to learn, being in the front row, essentially. The one thing that I want to impress upon you is you have to make sure that your money is always being protected by an asset. So, for example, we recently did a fix and flip where we borrowed private money from a lender that we've worked with many times, and she gave us the money for the down payment, closing costs, and the renovation. So what we did was we took out a loan called a hard money loan, or sometimes it's called a fix and flip loan. That lender was in first position on the title. Her loan to us for the private money was in second position on the title. You always want to make sure your money is being protected by that asset and all the paperwork is filed appropriately. If you want to get started in real estate, just leave a comment below and let's start a conversation.